Good morning, my dear boys. Today we have to complete the writing activity of lesson 8, and that is the last activity of your textbook, Bliss. So, we are about to complete our syllabus so far as your textbook is concerned. And the writing activity, that is number 5 of lesson 8, write a letter within 100 words to the editor of an English daily about the disturbances caused by the thoughtless use of loudspeakers. That is microphones. Loudspeakers and microphones. So, you have to write a letter to the editor of a newspaper. Okay, I am writing it for you and you just follow me. You know how to write formal letters. Still, I am telling you again. First, whenever you are write a letter to the editor of a newspaper, you have to write the editor. You may write to first, then the editor, but you may omit the word to. It is also correct. There is no problem. The editor. The editor. After that, you have to write the name of the daily, the name of the newspaper. I am writing XYZ daily, the XYZ daily, because you must use a definite article before the name of a newspaper. I have here written the XYZ daily, but when you will write the name of the newspaper. I must not write the name of any particular newspaper, as I am going to upload it in the YouTube channel. But you, whenever you are writing any such letter in your examination, you can safely write the name of the newspaper. I am not mentioning the name of any newspaper. Okay? After that, you have to write the address of the newspaper. I am not writing the address too, but you have to write here the complete address of the newspaper, whatever it is. Okay? And you have to give the stop here. After that, just spare a line, come a bit down, and then you have to write the subject, sub dot colon. You are asked to write a letter to the editor about the disturbances caused by the thoughtless use of loudspeakers. You must write the same thing, a phrase, in the subject portion. Okay? What should you write here? Expressing disgust about the thoughtless use of loudspeakers. Okay, and you have to put a stop here. Oh, then again it's a problem. The font is big enough, and that is why it's quite difficult to accommodate it in the same line. You may also write concern in place of disgust. Here in this place, you may also use concern, not disgust. Okay, I have written disgust. You may write disgust, but at the same time, you can replace it with the word concern. Okay, now we have to start the letter, the body of the letter. Sir, come to the next line. I would reckon it. You must begin such letters with a request to the editor to um, publish it in the daily, in the particular column of the concerned daily. Okay. I would reckon it. I would reckon it as a great privilege if you kindly allow me a space in your esteemed daily, daily means the daily newspaper, daily, to raise my voice against indiscriminate. You may also use thoughtless here, as it is mentioned in the question, but you may also write indiscriminate, against indiscriminate use of loudspeakers. Okay, here just notice this word, just give your concentration on this word, that is reckon. If you use this word reckon, you have to use as, but if you use consider in place of reckon, you must not use, rather I say as. After consider, as cannot be used. You may use to be, you may use nothing here, but never use as after consider. But I have not written here consider, I have written here reckon, and that is why I have written as also. বোঝা গেছে? ব্যাপারটা হচ্ছে যে আই উড রেকন না লেখা আই উড কনসিডারও লেখা যেত। কনসিডার লিখলে কিন্তু এই ইটের পরে যে অ্যাজ আছে ওটা লিখতে হবে না। আই উড কনসিডার ইট আ গ্রেট প্রিভিলেজ, এটাই ঠিক আছে। টু বি লিখলেও লেখা যেতে পারে, কিন্তু কখনোই অ্যাজ নয়। কিন্তু রেকন লিখলে কিন্তু অ্যাজ লিখতে হবে। আমি আশা করি বোঝাতে পেরেছি। নাও come to the main part of the letter. Loudspeaker, microphones, all these are same things. You may use loudspeakers, you may use microphones. And the short form of microphone is mic. Mics are now on all occasions. Okay, full stop. In festive seasons, they blare out deafening তালা ধরিয়ে দেবার মতো, বধির করে দেবার মতো। ডেফ মানে বধির, মানে যা আমাদের বধির করে দিতে পারে, এইরকম জিনিসকে ডেফেনিং বলে। ডেফেনিং সাউন্ড from all corners and along with this mm, social and political gatherings, social and political gatherings, also have made loudspeakers an indispensable part of their activities. VITIES. Okay, activities. Unfortunately, comma, if you use an adverb of manner just at the beginning of any sentence or clause, you should put a comma after that adverb of manner. Unfortunately, the organizers sorry, that is it. Organizers of such gatherings or pujas, there is a red mark here because there is no such word in English. Or pujas are often some thoughtless people who do not care a fig. It's an idiom, do not care a fig. That means absolutely careless. Who do not care a fig for the inconveniences of the people of others. We should use of others, of other people, comma, nor do they care for the laws. Consequently, you have to write the result. Consequently, comma, the senior citizens, comma, students and patients have to suffer a lot. Full stop. You should write very simple English, okay? Never try to use bombastic words or something like that, because such words do not count for getting marks. Now, you have to tell the remedy. You have told about the problem. Now you have to tell the remedy. Laws have been made to curb means দমন করা, curb this thoughtless activity, comma, but they are seldom found to be implemented, full stop. The appropriate authority must keep closer vigil মানে কড়া নজর, কড়া পাহারা, closer vigil to the situation and take drastic steps against the offenders. Okay, now we have completed writing the letter. Here you should write thank you. You may write thanking you also, but you may write thank you also. Thank you, stop. Now here you have to write your address, and after that the date of writing the letter on the left hand side, and on the right hand side here you should write yours faithfully or sincerely, and just below this your sincerely you have to write your name here in this position, here you have to write your name. Okay, you can find the cursor here, you have to write your name, and now the letter is complete. Okay, should I read it aloud? The editor, the Omuk Daily, address, subject expressing disgust about the thoughtless use of loudspeakers, expressing concern over about the thoughtless use of loudspeakers. Sir, I would reckon it as a great privilege if you kindly allow me a space in your esteemed daily to raise my voice against indiscriminate use of loudspeakers. Mics are now on all occasions. In festive seasons, they blare out deafening sound from all corners, and along with this, social and political gatherings also have made loudspeakers an indispensable part of their activities. Unfortunately, the organizers of such gatherings or pujas are often some thoughtless people who do not care a fig for the inconveniences of other people, nor do they care for the laws. Consequently, the senior citizens, students and patients have to suffer a lot. Laws have been made to curb this thoughtless activity, but they are seldom found to be implemented. The appropriate authority must keep closer vigil to the situation and take drastic steps against the offenders. Thank you. Here on the left hand side you have to write your address, and just below the address you have to write the date of writing the letter, and here on the right hand side you have to write yours sincerely or yours faithfully, but never put a comma before S. No apostrophe. You should not use any apostrophe just before S. No apostrophe and S, but only YOURS. You must not use any apostrophe here. Yours sincerely, and after that your name. Okay, my boys. Now we have completed the syllabus in your textbook. Please, the next day we shall discuss the questions from next day onwards. We would like to discuss, we are going to discuss the questions, different sets of questions given in the blog of your school. And we have already completed working out the question given in set 1 question. And the next day we shall work out the set 2, the question set 2 as given in the blog of your school. So goodbye for today.